So good evening mga kauma ko. So what is your New Year resolutions before the end of 2024? So may I share my New Year resolutions before the end of 2024? Number one, faith in God. Remember that always mga kauma ko. And then be kindness to everyone. And number three, love your family. And number four, love yourself. Lastly, love your wife. That is the most important. The whole things that happen in the world is just because about your partner. And last, finally, love your nation. Love your nation. So thank you.